One moment changed everything. From that day until now, the story keeps going. That's irai. Irai means ever since, connected with a verb in dative form or a noun. Then show what has continued until now. 車を買って以来、ドライブを楽しむようになりました。 Ever since I bought a car, I've enjoyed going for drives. 一人暮らしをSince life changed everything, moved forward. After irai, the next phrase shows something still continuing. You'll often see ているようになったな or adjectives showing the change still continues right up to now. 卒業以来ずっと会っていません。 Ever since graduation we haven't met. その本を読んで以来失敗が怖くなくなりました。 Ever since reading that book I'm no longer afraid of failure. One beginning, still today. That's irai.